YouTube, we back with another one, a POV with the big Tonka truck. Yes, sir. Y'all see the badge on the front, man. This is no joke. We had came with Bentleys, S-Classes. Now it's time for us to go Maybach, man. I just wanted to show y'all some of the details on here that a lot of people don't see. You know what I'm saying? And some cool, interesting facts about this one. But yeah, man, I got the doors open for a reason, man. Whew. Peep the interior of this guy. This is with no lights on, but wait until I turn the lights on. But yeah, man, I just want to give y'all a quick glimpse of the exterior of this Maybach GLS 600 guy. This is a big boy. You feel me? It barely fit in the frame. But yeah, man, y'all know that when I go for a ride, man, I always bring y'all with me. So let's do it. Yeah. Yeah. Let's ride. So I did want to show y'all something kind of cool on the Maybach that only the Maybach has. It's actually an off-road mode. So let me show y'all how to engage it for when you get one. You feel what I'm saying? So what you'll have to do is you will have to set your dynamic setting to off-road and activate your program. Then you will have to go to your off-road settings. And here you can see assistance, and then you see recovery mode. You have to have your car into drive. You press recovery mode, press start. And this is how you make your Maybach bounce. And people will look at you crazy. I love this car. I'm gonna give y'all an outside view. So as y'all can see, man, this car is a pretty fun car to drive. So let's go ahead and get moving. I like to ride in Maybach mode because, I don't know, man. I like to feel like Rick Ross. I like to feel like Ricky Rose when I'm riding in this. So, you know what I'm saying? I don't like to go too fast. I really like to cruise, you feel me, and just do my thing. The road noise is so, like, man, this car is so quiet. For you to be in a truck, man, it feels like, I can't even explain it. But yeah, man, shit, let's go for a little ride. How y'all doing, man? You know I gotta check on y'all, man. Man, it's always something new for me, bro. No, no, no. You let me go. You let me go. I don't stop for no ambulance, man. I'm in the Maybach. Nah, let me chill. But yeah, man, I hope y'all doing all right, man. I hope everything is going well for y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm cranking out this content. You feel me? These next few days, I'm cranking them out, man. I'm hoping y'all are going to enjoy the next few videos that I have. So make sure that y'all like and subscribe. Become a member, man. That's all you have to do. Is very, very simple for you to become part of the team and feel like you belong. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. What y'all think about Maybachs? Do y'all like Maybachs? Do you feel like, oh, I like Bentleys or I like Rolls Royces better? I feel like they're all in the same class. But I got a love for Maybach like no others, bruh. Especially the Maybach truck. When they came out with this, I want to say they came out around 2018. Correct me if I'm wrong. But, bruh, they snapped with this one. Making the GLS a Maybach? You smart. But, yeah, man. Shit. Ain't too much going on today, man. You feel me? It's cooler today, man. Summer is leaving us. Summer is leaving us, man. Summer is leaving us. I really wonder why. I don't know. Tell me, y'all need to give me more ways to make my POVs more interactive because I want y'all to be immersed in my stuff. And you know what would be really dope? I understand we got the mount going or whatever, but imagine if I had the Google goggles. Imagine if I had those little fucking, those damn, the glasses with the cameras on it, bro. I feel like that would go so crazy. Maybe that's just me. I don't know. But I feel like the glasses on there would be so crazy. But yeah, man, don't try to get out the way, babe. Maybach. Believe it or not, man, it's got a little push to it, but I really ain't going to do too much in this, man. I just really want to cruise and chop it up with y'all, man. So I just want to tell y'all about some of my goals for this channel. We just hit 100 subs, man. I appreciate every single one of y'all, man. I feel like we should do a giveaway. Man. I tried to do a giveaway before, but nobody entered. So, hey, I guess that giveaway is cut off. We should start a new one, man. I want y'all to comment y'all cash apps down below, and I'm going to bless somebody lucky with some bread, man. I will bless one person with some money on. So make sure that y'all comment. Make sure y'all subscribe and like, man. I'm checking everybody. I'm looking for everybody. There's a whole lot of traffic here. But yeah, man, we just hit 100 subs, man, and I'm super grateful for that. And I feel like our next goal should be like 250. I feel like 250 is where we need to be at. You feel me? In terms of subscribers, especially in the next like 2 months, I want to hit 150. And at the rate that we're going right now, we might hit that a little bit sooner because some of my videos are in the process of going up. So hopefully this is one too as well. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. I appreciate y'all rocking with me, man. It's cool. This pretty cool, man. Hey, man, if you've been thinking about starting YouTube, man, just post, bro. I ain't gonna lie, like, I didn't know how to do it, but I started gaining knowledge as I go. So if you're thinking about doing something, just start, bro. Just start. The longer you hesitate, the longer you procrastinate, the further and further and the harder it is for you gonna catch up to everybody else and do what you do. It really ain't no race, but all I'm saying is, man, try to beat your own score, try to do things out of your comfort zone and become successful at it. Because if you're constantly doing it every day, trust me, bro, the only way you can build, you can't knock something down that you're building every day. It's not gonna work. So let's build some structure on this channel, man. Y'all the first few hundred. And for all the new followers that don't know who I am, man, my name is Witness. And, bro, I do POVs of foreign cars. I do POVs of fast, luxury, lifestyle cars, man. Anything in between, man. Sometimes we go electric. Sometimes we go gas powered. Sometimes we go AMG. Sometimes we go Bentley. You know what I'm saying, man? That's the type of realm that I stay around. And yeah, man, we got a cool little family here, man. We talk about cars and we enjoy cars. So yeah, man, hopefully you find a place here. If you feel like subscribing, man, definitely hit that subscribe button like I said. But yeah, if this is one of y'all dream cars, man, go get it. You feel me? Maybach, double M. Make me feel like I'm Rick Ross in this mug, man. These actually cool your drinks, which is crazy, bruh. It'll cool and heat your drink. Big ass sunroof. Let's open it up for y'all. I'm not gonna leave it open because it's a little too hot for all that. But I did want to show y'all how big this moonroof is, bruh. It's still going. But yeah, man. Yeah, who doesn't like a Maybach? You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have to find a way to get in, but they'll let me in. Y'all see how this traffic going? They'll let me in for sure. I mean, you feel me? I'm riding presidential today. Y'all gonna let me over. Let me see. All I do is gotta turn that signal on. Let's see. Let's see what they do. 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 Look, what I told y'all. Oh, shit. He don't want to let me over. My fault. I ain't gonna lie. But I think he 5. He 5? Yeah, man. Shit. We just cruising, man. It's a little cruise, man. You feel me? Hopefully this should be a good little 20 minutes. You feel me? Just a little ride along. Y'all handling business. Y'all got me on the TV. You feel me? Let's get a Maybach a little pull. Let's put him in the sport. Let's give it a little pull. Let's see. Let's see what's hitting on. Okay. I tow something with this, but I put a boat on the back of this and tow my boat to the lake with the Maybach. I would, bro. I'm telling you. Y'all got girlfriends, bro? Y'all got girlfriends? Y'all got boyfriends? Man, being in a relationship kind of fun. It's got its ups and downs, but it's kind of fun. I ain't gonna lie. I'm off the market, bro. Y'all leave me alone. Y'all leave me alone. Yeah, man. We just cruising, man. Just cruising. I'm starving. I ain't eat nothing today. But it's fine, bro. When you really working, you're not worried about eating. That's the thing, bro. So all y'all that be eating, bro, that mean y'all ain't working for real. I'm just playing. It's like, nah. Yeah, man. Big Maybach, bro. This steering wheel is big as hell. You have to be able to see the dash through the steering wheel, so I guess it makes sense. This shit is a fucking, bro, this is a boat steering wheel. Yeah, man. It's a big ass fucking truck, man. I wish I could get y'all some rollers on the outside, bro. Imagine. But just wait. Just stay down. We go Maybach. Maybach, Mercedes-Benz. It's so quiet, bro. It's so quiet in here, bro. You can feel a pin tap. You can hear a pin tap. Beautiful. But yeah, we are close to my destination, so I will pick back up the camera once I get situated. Yes, sir. We also got to put gas in this thing, so let me put some gas in here, and I'm getting back to y'all right after. We're back. Yeah, man. This truck feels so sturdy, and it sit up so high. Man, this shit sit up so high. I love it. I literally just been cruising, man, just enjoying the ride, really. Man, oh man, what I would do with the Maybach truck. You know what I'm saying? Comment below. Do any of y'all have a Maybach truck? Man, if you do, I'm jealous. Yeah, I mean, I turn one of these on, just low it up. Make sure none of these will point toward the camera. Yeah, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this car so far, man. Super sturdy, man. Feels like you driving something with some muscle to it. I just put gas in the tank. It was about at halfway. It took about $40. $44 for 11 gallons. Crazy. Crazy. But yeah, man, y'all remember the times in COVID when you could fill up your tank for $15, $16? I miss that time. So many things have changed since COVID. Inflation has went crazy. Man, we ain't get no stimulus checks no more, no disability and all types of whatever. Not disability, but unemployment. All types of stuff, man. But it's all good, though. We on the bigger and better things, man. I wouldn't say I want to go back to the COVID time. But shit, they was handing out some money, though. I was getting money, too. I was getting a lot of money during COVID, but you know what I'm saying, man? I wouldn't wish out my enemy. I know some folks lost their life to COVID. You know what I'm saying? But the time was unforgettable, man. We really made it through a pandemic. That's crazy. Imagine that, bruh. Y'all know movies are based off of real life. So it might feel like we in a movie, but man, half the time that junk be off of real situations. But yeah, man, this is concluding my Maybach video. I hope y'all enjoyed my content. You feel what I'm saying? And let's get one more bounce in before we go. If I can. Let me see if I can. One more bounce in before we go. I appreciate y'all for watching. And I'm gone. Peace.